Have you ever purchased a bowl that you want to use in your living room or your kitchen, but you don't know what to do with it? Today, we are going to show you our favorite bowl that we have been styling for our clients in many different ways.
Hi, welcome to Emily and Laura. We're just going to jump right in. Start with our first bowl here. So this one is a Leanne Ford Interiors designed bowl for Crate & Barrel. This is their terracotta version. It's a little bit smaller than the next size up, and then obviously the large white. So we thought maybe in a bathroom it would fit really well. For today, I decided I'm gonna put this in my guest bathroom. Put some little toiletry samples in there, have a little zen-like spa feeling with the candle. We got some organic lavender soap. And this, I know it looks like a real air plant, but it's faux.
But it's not.
We gotta love the faux plants. Because air plants, I mean, honestly, they look so alike. So it's really hard to tell a difference. It just depends if you like, a little bit of maintenance with a mist here and there, or zero maintenance. The next one that we're gonna show you is one that we've loved to use in a few of our houses because our clients do want a little bit of greenery in their kitchen, but low maintenance.
Right.
So we've gone with the succulent route.
Right, yeah.
We love the succulents.
Super easy to take care of, looks great.
And so today we're gonna show you exactly how we put these together. So what I usually like to do to start off the bowls is prep it with some potting soil. You wanna make sure that it gets the bottom base nice and covered, but keep in mind that all of these pots have their own soil with them, so it will grow and expand. The first thing you wanna do is grab your kind of focal point of the bowl and a few of the main really pretty flowers that stand out, and place those in. You're gonna also want some vertical flowers that will go and give it some height and some dimension. And I like to get them in a couple different sizes so that they complement each other and
different colors.
Yeah, and I love all the different colors that you can get. And you'll have the smaller flowers around the edges to kind of blend in. And you can always top it or fill in with some rocks if you like, or you can keep the soil as just the base. Really, anything goes. So we'll just hop on in.
Yeah.
Put in our focal.
Emily, you gonna want to put your big one in the middle, or are you gonna?
I'm an offset person.
Okay, so you want to do it off to the side?
I think you are too.
Yeah,
right?
I am. Asymmetrical.
Yes.
Totally.
I don't like anything like.
Yeah, no, I don't either.
Okay.
I mean, we have a lot of clients that do. They like symmetry, and they want everything to be in balance. And then there's Emily and I. And we don't want anything in balance and like everything asymmetrical.
See, look at how cute that is.
Oh, yeah.
Brings me back to my hair days.
Yeah.
Because when you're doing like an updo, you gotta have like your focal point, and then all of the edges really make a difference. And
so what is this, mohawk?
I know, right? Well, this would be like the chignon, like everything is coming up in the middle, and then you have like a few tendrils
whatever
on the
that
side. Yeah. I mean, who doesn't love a succulent?
I love them because they're easy to take care of.
Yes. And then you can get those cute little misting cans that are a little accessory for your kitchen or your bath or wherever. Let me show you one.
Yeah, we get them for our clients all the time. They come in
So cute.
brass, glass, stainless. We've even done bronze, so they come in all different colors, all different styles.
So when you got it all kind of where you want it, you want to kind of make it look finished, right? So you chefs always have that way to like wipe off the edge of the plate or whatever.
For sure.
I like to use a spray bottle that you can use a direct spray, and you can just go like this along the edges.
Oh wow, look at that.
And it just cleans it right up. When you're moving it around and readjusting the plants, they get dirt inside. So you can really even make it more stream.
And so you're watering the plants at the same time.
Yeah, and you're
which is
just
super necessary to do when you're planting.
It cleans it out, waters it all at the same time. So you can really see the true colors of it all. And that's so cool.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So you just need any kind of water bottle that has a good stream on it, and then you use your pretty one to do the mist.
This is actually my bowl. And so today we are going to put herbs in my bowl.
Which is another great thing for the kitchen. So
Yeah.
you can just snip them, cook with them,
Exactly.
and it smells good all the time.
Exactly. I actually got some rosemary, 2 different kinds of oregano. You can obviously choose whatever herbs that you want, or you can ask, if you're doing this for a client, you can ask them what kind of herbs that they cook with. And as I said before, I like Emily, don't like anything symmetrical. So I too.
Like more organic,
Yeah,
right?
for
Like
sure.
just real.
Yeah.
And I mean, we're talking about plants, so.
Yeah, I know. It should look natural.
I never ever was into plants or anything like that. And then my mom went back to school to be a master gardener, and all of a sudden it opened my eyes to so much more.
Yeah.
And I'm like, wow, this is a lot of fun.
Yeah. Well, again, kind of like what I was saying a minute ago, is that there are a lot of people who are very nervous about taking care of plants. They just don't want the headache. They don't want the maintenance. They don't want to have to remember to water them. And, if you do plants that are easy to care for, you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Yeah, it does smell good.
Throw out some dirt.
And as you water it, the dirt will settle as well.
Yes.
So it starts to get compacted inside of your bowl. But you can see, today we're doing this with the bowl that we really like right now, this footed bowl that you can get at Crate and Barrel. But you can use your bowl. Something good to know, you wouldn't necessarily do this with plants, but the bowls that you have in your kitchen that you might use once a year, but they're really pretty and you wish you could put out, you can certainly put those out and put other things in them that are easier to take out.
So we'll just move on. I'll show you some other
Yeah.
awesome ways. to
Yeah,
style
and
this
I'll just
bowl.
continue working on my bowl here.
So this one, I just found these really cool moss balls, and it's for spring and summer. How easy is this? So if maybe you're like, I don't want to deal with the plants, let me just do something that gives you that green effect without any potting soil. You can also swap these out in the fall and do some like pine cone arrangement. You can do ornaments at Christmas, so you don't feel like you have to commit to anything. You still have the focal point as this beautiful bowl. So you're just accenting the bowl with a little bit of color.
Yeah.
One of the ones that people love all year round are these awesome orbs that you can do. They're just wood.
So here we are.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah. Super easy. Threw some herbs in there. Now you can cook with them. Looks beautiful in your kitchen. Once again, you don't have to use this in the kitchen. We're just talking a lot about the kitchen, but you can use everything that we've done here today really anywhere in your home. And this is so fragrant that it would make your home smell beautiful. Here we have another bowl, and in this bowl we have put in crushed rock. These candles are actually remote control candles. If you want to use real candles, you can do that as well.
Yeah, just adds a little ambiance, and how
Yeah.
easy. With the remote, you can just stick them in there, put it on the right setting.
And if we knew where the remote control was, we would actually like this for you. But since we don't, isn't that pretty?
Yeah, right? We hope that this has inspired you today to
Yeah.
maybe whip out one of your favorite bowls, maybe an heirloom, or go to Crate and Barrel if you want to check these ones out. But, just to try something new and absorb the season or the feeling you're going with, Zen, spa-like, culinary delight, little succulent, low-maintenance plant for the house, or set the mood.
That's right. So if you've liked what we've done here today, please like, subscribe. We hope to see you again.
Yes, thank you.